Hello everyone, welcome back to Hashtag Solution. If you wonder what is going on inside your PC while you are using it, so in this video I will explain how to understand your CPU, RAM, disk and the GPU performance using a Windows Task Manager. So first, to open the Task Manager, click on a free space here, then go to Task Manager, then on the tab list go to Performance. So the first thing will be CPU, which is the brain of your PC. So here you will see the generation of your laptop. So my laptop is 12th generation and the core, which is i7. So when you go down here, you will see the base speed of your CPU, including the logical processor, the cores, and the L1, L2, L3 cache memories. So here you will see how much of your speed is being utilized. Here you will see the total uptime of your laptop. You may notice something cool here. So even if your CPU base speed is 1.7 here, it can go to more than 4 GHz or higher due to the built-in feature called Turbo Boost. So Turbo Boost temporarily increases your CPU speed when you are doing some tasks that demand a high speed of your CPU. Like if I open a new file here, let me open this. You may notice here that the speed has been increased. So once it goes up and the file or the app that you want to open is already opened, it will goes down to its normal state. So it is smart, fast, and automatic. Once the load reduces, it go back down to save power and reduce heat of your laptop. So the next part will be your RAM here. When you go to the memory, you will see the total RAM size of your memory here, which is 16 GB. So here you will also see the speed of your RAM. That shows the RAM type. Like this one has 4800 megahertz, so it's DDR5 RAM. So the number of slots that is being used by the RAM is also here. So the other part is the available free RAM of your system that your laptop can still use. This one is here. And you'll also see the cached memory here, which is recently accessed data stored for the faster reuse. Here also there is a committed memory size, which is the total memory promised to the app that include the RAM and the page file. So if the memory usage is above 80%, your system may slow down and it may start using a virtual memory from your SSD, which will be slower your laptop, and it may generate a heat. So the third part will be here, the disk. So here you will see whether your disk type is SSD or HDD. Here you will see my laptop is SSD hard disk type, which is a solid state data storage. So SSD is much faster than the traditional HDD, which is the hard disk drive. So SSD will improve and boost time and loading of your application while you open apps. So here the other part you will see here is the active time of your laptop. So that show how busy your disk is. It may run from 0 up to 100%. So the other thing is the read-write speed of your laptop, that show how fast data is being read from your memory, or how fast your data is being written to the disk. So the capacity versus formatted will show here. The capacity is the total physical size of your drive. Here it is like 477. And on the formatted, it is the usable space after setting up the file system. It is usually lower than the total capacity of the your disk. So if the active here, when you go here, if the active time stay close to 100%, your PC might feel slow. So essentially during this file transfer or app installation, you will notice this. The last one will be the GPU here, which is a graphic processing unit. So this handle everything from rendering visual to video playback and games. So this handle everything from rendering visuals to video playback and games. So here you will see the utilization percent, which shows how much of your GPU is being used. So the other part is the video decode and video processing on the 3D. So that shows which type of workload is being handled. And on the shared GPU memory, you will see, since I'm using the integrated GPU like Intel Iris, so it's shared memory with the RAM. So in this case, I can use 7.8 GB from the RAM, but currently the shared memory I'm currently using is 1. So you can see a spike in the GPU activity when you play a video or run a graphic heavy apps like the gaming apps. So finally, this will be a simple breakdown of what is happening inside your PC using a task manager. So understanding CPU, RAM, disk, and GPU performance can help you spot issues, improve speed, and just learn more about your computer. So if you found this helpful, give it a like and hit subscribe for more beginner-friendly tech videos from Hashtag Solution. Good questions or video suggestions, please drop a comment here and I will reply to everyone. See you in the next video. Bye bye.